What's good? So you want to learn how to side flip using snow? The first step to this is doing a side roll onto this. So I'm gonna show you how that looks. Stand like this, roll over your side like that. Now, when you can do this, it's pretty fucking easy. Then you're supposed to do a little jump into it. It should look like this. If you got a good snow pile, then that won't hurt. Assuming you've done that, now you're supposed to jump a little bit more and grab your legs like this. Try and go over so you land on your side instead of your back. It should look like this. When you're gonna transition into actually landing it, you need to know a few things about technique. So, first of all, what are you gonna do with your arms? You're gonna throw this arm right over here. Then you're gonna go up with this arm behind you, so like that. And then you're gonna tuck like this with both legs like this, tuck like that. And then you're gonna do a little hop. When you're going in here, you walk or you run, and then you go 1, 2 with your feet in front of you. This will create some height from your speed because you're blocking with your feet. So your speed goes into your height instead. When you can do all this and land on your side, and if you've listened to all my technique, you try to throw it a bit more, you should be able to get more close to landing it. So maybe you land on your ass or something like this. This is just doing the same thing you did before, add a little bit more technique and throw harder. Now when you've done this like a lot, now you just gotta throw it even harder and try to land, and it will look like this. When you've done all this, it's just a matter of trying when you're supposed to land it on the ground over here. So do this like a million times so you can do it when you sleep. And then you just gotta try it on the ground because it's the same thing, just without something soft to help you if you fail. See, when I can do it over here, then I can do it over here because it's the same thing, just the snow that helps me here with not dying if I land the wrong way. So I did one over there, I can now do one over here. You get a little bit of a run up, you get your feet in front of you, you throw with this arm, you go up with this, you tuck like that, and that's basically the flip. You gotta look for the ground when you land, and then just make sure to bend your legs when you land so you don't land on your heels, because that's gonna hurt. And here's the demonstration. It's really slippery right now, so I would not recommend trying it just on something slippery. Rather, if you have something that you get grip on, then that's a lot better. But you can do it over here. So anyways, that's how you do the side flip using snow. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or some shit. And I'll see you in the next video. Please like and bye.